Hi, this is Natalie Critchley from nataliecritchley.com in Northern Virginia. Thanks so much for being here. Today we're going to talk about why affiliate marketing is great for newbies. But before we jump into that, if you're new to this channel and you'd like to subscribe, consider subscribing. Please hit the button below, and if you want those videos right away, you can hit that little bell and they're going to send them to you as soon as I release them. So here's what we're going to talk about today, is why affiliate marketing is great for newbies. So, as an affiliate marketer myself, full transparency, I love it. I absolutely love the idea of sharing a great product or service and getting paid. And essentially, that's what affiliate marketing is. It's no different than going to the movie theater, it's going to a great restaurant, and you're sharing. But with affiliate marketing, you will get paid a commission. So, what does that kind of look like if you're new to wanting or thinking about jumping online for the very first time? The great part about affiliate marketing is you don't have to create your own product or service. So this is sharing in some company's product or service, such as Amazon. Amazon is has a huge affiliate marketing program. It's very, very popular with bloggers. They can share products and services that they use in their niche and put a link on their website and get paid in exchange for somebody purchasing that product, which is awesome. It's fantastic. There are companies here in Northern Virginia, big companies, some of the cable companies, some of the gas companies. If you refer some business to those companies, you will be given a commission, a monetary commission. Again, you're just being paid for sharing good products and services. So the first thing you need to do is, when you're thinking about getting online for the first time and becoming an affiliate marketer, you need to find a product or service that excites you, right? You're interested in, that you can get happy and passionate about. You want to sell something that you will enjoy sharing and talking about, which will, again, generate commissions for you. So number one, you can find that product or service. There are a couple places you can go to do that. One option is going to free membership sites called like ClickBank, JVZoo, again, Amazon, Best Buy has an affiliate program, Walmart has an affiliate program, I think Target has. There are lots of places that you can go and just start sharing a link that will be generated for you, that will be coded to you, some products or services from that company. So that's where you can look. There's also the free sites, are what I just mentioned: JVZoo, ClickBank, Amazon, Best Buy, some of those folks, big retailers. And there's also paid sites, and the paid sites might be sites like Legendary Marketer, they're Elite Marketing Pro, MLSP, and those are really popular with network marketers who are looking to get online and brand themselves, as well as affiliate marketers. And I've done all three. I'm currently in one, and I enjoy the benefits of being a paid member because I get extra training and coaching. And for me, that was very important. If you're coming online for the first time and you were like me 18, 20 months ago, you probably know enough to be dangerous, but that's about it. So you might need some extra coaching, and some of those programs involve coaching and some don't. In one of my next future videos, I'm going to do a comparison review of all three and share more details. So you have paid and you have free. So you have to just pick the product or service that you want to promote. When you join either one of those groups, you're going to receive a link. And that link is, as I said, going to be coded to you. So you're going to have this link that you're going to be able to share in videos. You'll be able to share it in YouTube descriptions, such as mine below. I'm sharing my number one affiliate marketing link. And if I had any other products that I might think might be relevant to the video, I might share another affiliate link there, but you can put them there. If you have a blog or a website, you can put them there. You can share them with colleagues in groups. The one thing I would encourage you not to do is to spam that link and to throw it out there and think everybody and their brother is going to buy from you and you're going to earn a commission. That's not going to happen. In fact, it will probably get you banned from some sites. So you want to value that link. You don't want to be booted out of a company because you're using that link to spam people. That link is gold. That link equals money. So think about that. That link equals money. So another thing to consider is the product that you're going to promote. Do you want an average size, small to average size commission, or do you want a high commission? And sometimes high commissions can be very intimidating because there's a cost up front, right? So my theory on this, and this is just my personal opinion, if I'm going to be promoting and doing the work to promote and market a link, I want to promote and market a link that's going to give me the highest commission. So, you might go on to JV Zoo and you might be in the health and wellness industry and you want to promote this really cool new shake, this protein shake that is just off the charts. It's going to help you lose weight. That protein, a case of protein shakes might be $50. You might make $15 on that particular product and $15 commission. I, on the other hand, might be selling a course or a license agreement to a mastermind group, and that particular sale might be $1,000 or $1,500, and I might make $500 from that sale. So for me, just my personal opinion, if I'm going to market something, I'm going to market, and I'm going to put all my energy into a higher ticket item, but that's just me. So figure out what it is you're going to be passionate about. Make sure you run the numbers to make sure you're going to get your money back, because at some point you're going to need to pay for advertising. You're going to want to use Facebook ads or maybe YouTube ads. You might want to do some AdWords. If you have a website, you can do some different things there. But, free advertising is great, right? It's free, but it takes longer. And I'll be right up front, it takes longer. When I first got started, I chose to dive right into solo ads, paid ads. That was the method that I used. That's how I made money out of the start. That gave me the confidence to now I'm running Facebook ads. So just know that, you have to do the math, run the numbers to see when you can get your investment back, because there is going to be an investment. Anything free is not easy. Free is free, right? So let's remind ourselves of that. When you are paying any amount of money for a product or service or a membership, there's a good reason you're paying that money. And most of the time, you will get your money back faster from a paid program than a free program, just because of the assets that are included with that paid program. So what I've described is not hard. It's relatively, in terms of, it's kind of a simple process, but it's not easy, because you're going to have to fight through not knowing you don't know what you don't know, right? That's the hardest part. But the reward at the end of this thing is just, it's fantastic. It's amazing, because face it, the internet's not going anywhere. If you're in a job that, you might not be completely satisfied with, if you want to try to start a side hustle or a side gig, spend a few hours a week online marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing is a great place to start learning how to market yourself online, because the value of that, I'm going to be 58 in September. The bottom line is I'll be able to do this into my 80s, because it takes me sitting here in front of a computer. It doesn't take me, being a greeter at a department store. It doesn't take me standing on my feet all day at a cash register. There's not going to be age discrimination. Nobody even knows who I am, when I'm marketing, unless they dig deep and try to find me. So that's the beauty of this. This can go well into your retirement. And that's one of the reasons that I chose to do this, is because I wanted to have something for later on, right? And I enjoy this. So retirement's I'm not even thinking about retirement, because this is what I do, right? So if, think about affiliate marketing, think about, if this is something, if you're new online and this is something you want to do, hey, reach back out to me, make a comment, like, if you like this, please hit the thumbs up, and make a comment below. If you have any questions, I'd love to help you. People help me. I want to pay it forward. That's why I'm doing this, because I would still be stuck if I hadn't had people out there helping me overcome some technical issues and information overload and shiny objects and everything else. So I am happy to help in any way I can. If you found some value in this video, please subscribe. Love to share with you. Again, like, comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.